Special cases of quadratic equations. Although we did not suggest the use of the factorization method when solving quadratic equations, there are some cases in which this method is very suitable. More precisely, it is better to factorize when the equation has no constant, c equals 0. In this case, it is not necessary to apply the other methods explained in the following. The general form of such factorizations therefore is shown in the following on screen. For example, in the quadratic equation, we have the following as shown on screen. We can factorize x and as a result, we have the following as shown on screen. It is that simple. No extra steps, no challenging procedures. All you need to do is to identify all common factors in the equation terms and factorize them. The rest of the equation is written in brackets. Thus, given that this equation is true for x equals 0 or 3x minus 7 is equal to 0, its roots are x equals 0 and x equals 7 out of 3. Example. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. A. 5x squared plus 12x plus 5 is equal to 5. B. 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared equals 12 minus 9. Solution. A. First, we must turn both quadratic equations in the form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Thus, for the first equation, we have the following as shown on screen. Thus, factorizing x yields, we have the following as shown on screen. The left part is 0 only when x equals 0 or 5x plus 12 is equal to 0. Thus, the first root is x to the power of 1 is equal to 0. As for the second root, we have the following as shown on screen. Thus, x squared equals 0. B. Again, we must write the equation in the form a, x squared plus b, x plus c equals 0. We have the following shown on screen. This time we factorize 2x. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. The left part of the last equation is 0, so must be the right part as well. Thus, this equation has two roots. The first is x to the power of 1 is equal to 0 because we have the following shown on screen. The other root is calculated by finding the value of the variable in the part in brackets. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Therefore, the second root of this equation is x squared equals 2. That is all for lesson 9.5.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 9.5.3, Solving Quadratic Equations by Factorization Part 2. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.